What if I told you 99% of podcasts fail because they're too afraid to talk about this? It's not about fancy mics or perfect editing, though those help. It's about embracing the very thing most creators run from: failure. And I'm not just talking about your failures. I'm talking about dissecting the failures of others, the industry, and even the very concept of success itself. Today, we're going to break down exactly how to create a professional podcast video that tackles the topic of failure head-on, making it not just listenable, but utterly compelling. By the end of this video, you'll have a roadmap to producing a podcast that resonates deeply, builds a loyal audience, and, ironically, avoids the common pitfalls that lead to so many podcasts fading into obscurity. We're talking about turning the dreaded F word into your biggest asset for podcast success. Think about it. Every single successful podcast you listen to, every viral hit, every industry leader, they all have a story that's littered with setbacks. But how many of them actually talk about those setbacks in a way that's relatable and insightful? Most shy away, presenting a polished, airbrushed version of their journey. That's where you come in. Your podcast video can be the antidote to that curated perfection. The first step is understanding your audience's relationship with failure. In 2026, people are tired of aspirational content that feels unattainable. They crave authenticity. They want to see the messy middle, the moments of doubt, the times when things went spectacularly wrong. Your podcast video needs to tap into that desire for genuine connection. So, how do you do that? You start by identifying the specific angle on failure you want to explore. Are you focusing on entrepreneurial failures? Creative block? Relationship breakdowns? Personal growth through adversity? The more focused you are, the stronger your message will be. But here's the secret sauce that most people miss: it's not just about your personal stories of failure. It's about building a narrative that makes your audience feel seen. Imagine a guest on your show who talks about losing their business, not just the sad parts, but the lessons learned that were only revealed after the dust settled. That's gold. You want to create a space where guests feel safe to be vulnerable, and where your audience feels empowered by those shared experiences. Now, let's talk about the video part of this podcast video. In 2026, static images are dead. You need dynamic visuals that keep viewers engaged. This doesn't mean you need a Hollywood budget. Think about simple, effective techniques. Use B-roll footage that illustrates the points your guests are making. If they're talking about a tough financial period, show visuals of hardship, not just a talking head. If they're discussing a creative breakthrough, use energetic, inspiring imagery. Even simple text overlays highlighting key takeaways can make a huge difference.